it's Kai here, and guess what? Grubbly Farms sent us some goodies. The girls are so excited, of course. I'm sure y'all can hear them in the background, okay? So we got Grubbly's Hometown Harvest. This is our first time trying this brand with the girls. And I want to say this is the black soldier fly larvae. Y'all, they're gonna be so excited. So we about to get into that. Let's go. Farm-grown, earth-friendly foods. Oh, I like it. I like how they have like the little words and stuff on it. Okay. Let's go ahead and open this. And I do like the tearaway bags. This one is made really good. These are pretty good size. Can't wait to go give them to the girls. All right, Grubbly Farms, let's go try it. All right, y'all, so I'm about to put some out here on the ground, chicken run, so the girls can get it, and we're gonna see how they act. I think they're gonna like it. If you know my girls, they like snacks, okay? So let's get to it. Let's hurry up, y'all, because they fly out this dang chicken coop like it's a tornado. Ooh, y'all hear that? They ready. They ready. Okay, girls, come on. Oh. Whoop. We're gonna say they like them some Grubbly Farms. So y'all go order y'all's ladies some Grubbly Farms and let me know how your ladies liking it. Also, they gave us a discount code, you guys. Just type in Kyria25 and get your discount on your next order or your first order of Grubbly Farms. We'll see y'all next time.